Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 17. Hi, I am number 17. 1 comes first and then 7 comes next. 1, 10 and 7 ones make 17. Now look at the picture, count and say aloud 17 eggs. Now let's have a little activity. Join all ones with sevens to make 17. Now trace number 17. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.